Looking for hassle-free Hyundai service? At Wheaton Hyundai, we've got you covered.
Scheduling an appointment is simple. You can give me a call, shoot us a text, or book online at your convenience.
So as you drive in, like this Tucson just did, with every appointment you get a quick alignment and tire check that you are able to see when you come up there, and it helps us catch any concerns early if there is any to be worried about.
We're open 6 days a week, and in most cases we can get your vehicle in the same day.
Come on in, enjoy our lounge, grab a coffee, or let us know if you need a ride anywhere in town and we can take you.
We're Hyundai trained certified technicians.
And many of us are fully EV certified.
Service, you get a complimentary car wash.
At Wheaton Hyundai, we make service simple, seamless, and stress-free. Come experience the difference today.